Want to change the emoji skin tone in Facebook Messenger on your Android phone? It's super easy and it helps make your messages feel more like you. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. So let's get started. First, open Messenger. Now tap on any chat where you can type a message. Tap the emoji icon in the text input field to open the emoji picker. Now find an emoji that supports skin tone variations. For example, use these hand sign emojis. Long press on any of these emoji. You'll see a few skin tone options. Choose the one you like and hit send. The app will remember you selected skin tone for future use of that emoji. And that's it. Now you know how to change the skin tones of your emoji on Facebook Messenger. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like. You can also subscribe to the channel for more simple tips like this. Hope to see you again in the next one.